Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I got a haul from Amazon and I want to show everything I got. So this came in a 2-pack. I'll link everything down below. Some butterflies. And it came loose in the package because I can feel it. And then I got some leaves. I saw the fall leaves and I wanted it for the orange and the gold. And these are different colored butterflies. Some iridescent, some holographic. So it's be 100 pieces of candy. And it looks like there's one that's broken. There's these tiny little stars. I'm gonna come back after I get this situated. So this is an overview of the first set that I got. So I got some doubles of everything, which is what I liked about this pack. I did receive 2 of them broken, which are right here, and hopefully I'll be able to glue these back together. So I got this pack of berries. This is supposed to be the resin gummy bears. You find butterflies everywhere. First off are these. I'm gonna take one out. These are smaller than I thought they'd be, but they're cute. So there's yellow, blue, purple, pink, and I think that's brown or orange, and there's clear. And they're all iridescent. I have everything linked down below in order. This one you get orange, purple, pink, clear, and yellow. The yellow, no, the orange is more opaque. The other ones are more see-through. Oh, you can see the little eyeballs. And this is what they look like. They're very adorable. I can't wait to put these on a nail set, especially those orange ones. As you can see, are different. They're not a see-through. And then these are kind of the reason why I bought the whole pack. These are, I want to say, a tiny bit smaller. But these are the ones that look like candy. Are they squishy? Not really. I thought those were adorable. And there's different ones. There's like red, pink, I want to say, orange, blue, yellow, green. So I'll have this link down below. This is a 100 pack. Does not look like 100, but whatever. But it just comes with all these. Some of these I do already have, and it's totally fine. I don't have the mermaid or the bears. The ones that I already have a lot of, that I have in another pack that I hold already, I'll be getting rid of like those. Maybe the fish, those. This one came broken. I have a bunch of these already. But yeah, here's an overview of it. So here I just ordered another 500 piece of nails that I've already ordered. Hold on. They just look like this. I'm not gonna take them out of the box because I already have one open. So this is my backup case. So I ordered 2 of these, so I'm gonna open it, spread it all, and show you. So here's an overview of the charms that came in that bag, and I got 2 of them, and they're all the same thing in both bags. So that's bag number 1. Here's an overview of set number 2. There is some differences. Like I didn't get that piece in the first set, but that's fine. There are a few pieces in here I didn't get in the first bag, but it's okay. I think I purchased this set before. I have no clue where the pieces are. So that's just an overview of everything. Thanks for watching. Bye. Everything will be listed in order in which I opened them. So thanks for watching. Bye.